Okay, sorry the last video cut out. But yeah, I'm pretty much near the end. Pretty much life is good right now. I'm happy, I'm single, I'm happy, I'm grateful. I have good friends. I have such an extensive group of people and coworkers and just such an amazing network of supportive, cool people that I really vibe with right now. And if you're into spirituality at all and you believe in like soul families and things like that, like I'm definitely vibing with that. I'm definitely like feeling in line with these wavelengths of people and energies that are coming into my life. And so I did want to touch upon what I want to do with this channel moving forward. You know, also during this time when I was rock bottom, I also came to the realization that I wanted to take a break because I was starting to feel social media anxiety and just feeling anxious about keeping up my schedule, my uploading schedule, and my content, and all the comments and likes and messages. And I'm so grateful for the people who like my work and want to interact with me and all those sort of things. I do want to connect. I do want to make an impact and engage with people in our community. I do want to continue to be to support the healing process for people and to educate and to give real results to people, because healing happens. Healing is possible. If you go on Instagram, there's just, and you type in like hashtag eczema, hashtag um, TSW or topical steroidal withdrawal or red skin syndrome, um, just it's amazing the amount of people who heal naturally from eczema. And there's like a ton of other coaches. There's a ton of other eczema coaches who, really like that business model and that way of helping people one-on-one. What I realize about myself too is that although I got great results with people as a coach one-on-one, I am more happy reaching the masses. I really like communicating to groups of people all at once. I just like to help as many people as possible in the most efficient way possible, because I just realized, wow, if I just build a whole business model through helping people one-on-one, I would feel really depleted just being the kind of person that I am. And kudos to the other, true eczema coaches out there who've lived through it, lived to tell the tale, and heal themselves naturally. There's like Flawless Christina, another Filipino with eczema. And she's like super nerdy, and she knows what she's talking about. Now she's married with a kid and still gorgeous. There's Rob Stewart, like really athletic, also empathic, and very like straightforward into your face. There's Abby from formerly known as Prime Physique Nutrition, who's now Eczema Conquerors for the Conqueror Academy. That's a group setting, but it is a coaching program for like 2 months. And so there's so many options, and I do want to create videos shouting out these other amazing YouTubers who have created services for our people, like who are energized by that and inspired to do that. I totally respect it. But like for me, I feel like for me, I would my strength would be more like just doing these YouTube videos, public speaking, maybe educational workshops, just things with groups of people. I just naturally, intuitively feel like my path in this community, if I pursue it, should be with groups of people. I just want to communicate to the masses. And it's not like I'll never answer a question from anyone individually. I actually plan to create some sort of like program or booking calendar for that, like just for people who really want my specific advice on certain topics, like maybe the best cosmetics or skincare for their specific type of rashes, because that is my specialty. But it's like I can't keep like answering every single question that comes through my DMs or my email or in my post, because it just takes so much time and it feels draining, and there's just so much to say about every single question and topic with what I know now. And I like to be thorough, and I want to give complete answers, and that takes time. And then, there's just so much that goes into just treating one type of rash over the other. There's so many factors, and I would like to create like videos on these things eventually, but I also actually have plans to write a book so that I can just send it off to the masses and just tons of people can get it whenever they want and reference it and always go back to it. And that would just be a better way for me to help people without draining myself too much, but still providing quality help. so so that's what's going on with me. I'm not really focused on one-on-one coaching anymore like I was in my previous videos, but I know that the information that I have will help a lot of people. It already has helped a lot of people. And I'm just trying to figure out the best way to pace everything, because I'm so ambitious and I have so many ideas, and I get so excited about everything, but then I burn out. So I'm trying not to burn myself out again so that I can stay more consistent. But in terms of my upload schedule, that's just going to have to happen when it happens. I'm not going to promise that I'm going to do weekly videos again, or it's going to be like every first Monday of the month or anything like that. I need a bit more flexibility and freedom like that in my life, with all of my interests and all of my passions, and also my work schedule now with Sephora. So it's so much, but it's so much to look forward to, and I'm grateful and I'm happy, and I'm happy that I'm taking back control of my life. I'm happy that I'm taking back control of this channel, and I don't want to be afraid of trolls and negative comments, or um, like not living up to some sort of ideal standard or example or anything. I'm just a human being, and I'm grateful to the YouTubers these days who have just provided very real representations of their own humanity. And it's just like, no one's gonna be perfect. I'm not gonna try to be. I'm not gonna claim to be. I'm just the trying to do the best version of myself that I can, and trying to be of service, trying to make a contribution to this world, trying to be a part of the solution. Because if I don't, because if we just fall back and just wait for someone else to do it, who's going to do anything? Like, someone's got to get the ball rolling, someone's got to get it started. And even if it's just one person, that's one more person who's an example and who can inspire someone else to follow suit, or to at least to try their own way of doing that thing. And it's really important for us to continue to share our stories, our experiences, and all that sort of stuff. I will also share a link to my profile on atopicdermatitis.net, because I have a ton of articles that I've published, that they've published, of articles that I've written for them on various topics. And you could just you could search for any topic also in that community website, and there's so many articles from great writers. Not just me, like there's just so many great people out there providing real life experiences and real results and real recommendations from living with it, that are really worthwhile, worth checking out and reading. And I'm just so grateful that this movement is growing and expanding. And I hope that there will be more of us out there, more like eczema YouTubers, eczema artists, eczema professionals, eczema consultants, eczema health professionals would be awesome. To just have more empathy and more real results from real experiences, having lived through it, and not just depending on people who have heard about our skin condition and just prescribe certain medications based on theory and not based on real life or results. Okay, so I know that this and the other video were quite long. I can be verbose, but I am a thorough person, and I believe I have covered all of my bases off my whiteboard list. I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.